Hi guys, today I am doing a vlog and I want to introduce our one plant species. The name is Acistaceae gangetica and the plant is a pale yellow color. So this is also known as the Chinese violet. And this in India we can also call it as the Ganges primrose. So this see the flowers are. So see the petals. Will you see it? So how beautiful the flower is. This is a pale yellow color flower, and we also use this for the puja purpose in a temple also. We use this and how beautiful the flower is, and see the plant. So how beautiful, na?